come to my motel. Slide you the key, baby, don't tell. Let's ride, you and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me, but you enjoy my company. So let's ride, you and me.
Hey you guys, what's goody, what it do? It's your girl Abi-Sue, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be installing this hair that I was sent from ALLOVE Hair, and I'm just gonna install it for you guys and show you guys how it looks and tell you guys about the quality and all that good stuff. So that's the box that it came in. This is the wig, 24 inches, and this is in a natural color body wave. It says 4x4 lace wig, and it comes with a wig cap. Oh, sorry. She kind of smells. You know what's funny? I always see people talk about how wigs be having like a scent, and I always be like I never smell nothing, but today I smell it. We got some shedding. Okay, so I'm getting some shedding already, but look how my fingers are just like running through this. This is so soft. It feels so great. And you can see the texture. It's body wave like they said. This is super cute. This is the inside of the wig. It comes with clips and a strap at the back. Oh, and this is pre-plucked, and it comes with baby hairs. So, but you could go ahead and customize it however you want. That's what I'm going to do. It's cute. I think I'm gonna crimp my hair today though. That's it for the unboxing. Without further ado, I'm gonna get into the video. Okay, so because I'm not bleaching this, I'm going to put some makeup on the lace so that it looks more realistic. So that's what I'm about to do. Okay, so that's all that I needed to do. So now this is how the lace looks. So now I'm just gonna pluck the closure to my liking. So I kind of went ahead and did the wig cap application off camera, but if you guys want to see how I install my wigs, I do have a video on that, and I will put that right here. I'll also have it in the description box. I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my wig cap. But yeah, this is my bald cap, and now I'm going to install the wig. Okay, so this is how the hair looks. I didn't glue it down yet, I just have it on. I'm gonna flatten the top. I'm gonna use the hot comb and flatten the top. I really like the texture. I like the wave. It's giving goddess. I like the density. I'm not sure what density it is, but I like how it feels. It feels like a good density. Like, this is good. Do y'all do this when y'all trying to check if it's hot enough? Oh, so I'm gonna take my Got To Be Free Spray and spray the top, and then flatten it. Do y'all see the difference that a hot comb makes? Please get one, cause y'all wigs be looking like hills on top of y'all head. Please invest in a flat comb. Make it flat. I said a flat comb, a hot comb, and make your wig installs flat, please. Please, I'm begging y'all. Okay, so this is what we have, and I decided I'm not going to glue this down because I really don't need to. I just need to, I'm sorry I keep looking over there, the mirror is over there, but I really just need to cut the lace because this is so fitted that this can be a glueless install. Like, this is going to be a glueless install because it's so fitted. You don't even need to glue this down. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut the lace now, and I'm gonna do that off camera as well because I don't have my regular mirror, and if I want to record, I'm gonna have to keep looking this way. Okay, I'm back, and I cut the lace off. So all you see now is my big forehead. So what I'm gonna do now is my baby hairs. First, I'm taking the Got To Be spray. I'm gonna spray the toothbrush. Then I'm just gonna play with this, see how I want it. I'm just gonna leave these two little baby hairs like that. Yeah, I'll just leave it. Anyway, that's pretty much it. That's so quick. Now I'm gonna crimp the hair. Got this pink crimper from Revlon. Let's turn it all the way up. All the way up. And you can stay up. I'm gonna just do it in sections because I don't even know how it's about to look. So how you do this? Like this, right? Well, I'm gonna spray it a little. I'm gonna take my comb, distribute that spray through here, and then I guess you just go like this.
Let's ride, you and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me, but you enjoy my company. So let's ride, you and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me, but you enjoy my company.
Okay, so I'm done. This is what I got. super cute. Okay, do you guys like this hair? I really like this hair. I love the texture. I love how soft it is. The body waves, like the hair in its natural state looks amazing. Could have just left it like that. The density is full enough. It's not like super thick, but it's the perfect density. I love that this was glueless. Well, I made it glueless and it was easy for me to do that, so love that. I definitely do recommend this hair. It's true to length. It's so pretty. This is literally something that you don't have to do too much to. Like, I didn't bleach it or nothing. I did pluck it a little bit, but it came with baby hairs. And yeah, I just literally put this on and I didn't even have to glue anything down. I was going to, but then once I noticed I didn't have to, yeah, this looks amazing. And yeah, so this is from ALLOVE hair. The lace looks amazing. I definitely recommend this hair, so if you guys want to get it, I will put all the description and I will put all the links in the description box below. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.